3, 2, 1, and liftoff. Chris Hadfield.
I've been lucky enough to go around the world 2,600 odd times. Seeing the entire world, it gives you a perspective of the shared nature of humanity itself. We need to recognize that nothing stays the same. Change isn't just inevitable, it's necessary. And technology enables us to do things that we just can't naturally do. To be able to measure the changes to the surface of the planet from orbit, to be able to effortlessly communicate around the world, that opens up so many possibilities. And when you can fold the impossible into the reality of normal life right now, I think that's what progress is.
When technology enables progress, ESET is here to protect it. ESET Digital Security. Progress protected.